You can borrow from a payday lender will depend on a number of factors. Most importantly is the basic criteria. This is typically you have to be over 18 years of age, have a working debit card, be a UK resident, be in employment, earning at least £500 per month, and you must have a working mobile and email account so that you can be contacted at any time. One of the most important things is your affordability. This is where the lender tries to match up how much you wish to borrow with what you can actually afford. So if you earn a certain salary, they then need to try figure out how much you can borrow without being financially stretched, and that will cause you to go into arrears. So for this reason, lenders will ask you to confirm your monthly take home and also ask for a payslip or a bank statement for confirmation. Your credit score is also very important indeed, because this gives the lender an idea of your credit worthiness and how well you have paid other loans and credit cards in the past. Now, if you have a very good credit score because you have paid very well in the past, then you should be able to borrow more than someone who potentially has a bad credit score. If you are a repeat customer, you may be actually able to borrow more from that specific lender. Some lenders have a criteria that first-time borrowers can only borrow £300, £400 or £500, but repeat customers can borrow up to £1,000. Now this is typically because you have showed that you are a good customer and therefore your loyalty and trust rating with them has improved and therefore you can borrow more. It also depends on the type of loan, because there are some loans which allow you to borrow more. For instance, a payday loan is only maybe 2 to 4 weeks, so there is only so much that you can borrow and then repay within that time period. But if you were to borrow an installment loan over 12 months, you obviously have much longer to pay it off, so therefore can probably borrow more. And finally, the lender's criteria will vary. Every lender has a different underwriting process and a different risk appetite with how much they're willing to lend out. So even though you've got one set of details, different lenders may be able to give you different loan offers accordingly.